bowfin, carp, all the fish in this pond. And I really, really hope that I catch a big bass today. Yeah. And right now I'm just going to put on a worm and I'm going to try and catch a sunfish. Caught a nice shiner. I think it's a shiner. There's this another fish. I forget the name of it, but it might be that. It's a very golden. It has smell. They love bread. I catch them on bread, and very shiny and golden. I'm gonna release one more look.
You got him.
He only has one fin. The other one
he's in his fight with somebody else. Right?
Oh no, your hot dog. Quick.
Okay. There.
I'm just unhooking this catfish. I just caught him. I just got some bread and I put it down. Then I just looked and I saw him, so I put the bread and he ate it. So I go now. Release it. It's a very small one and cute. I hooked him perfectly.
Whoa, that's a big fat one.
Look at his head.
He's chubby.
Look how big his head is.
He's finished eating. He just had his lunch or
Look
his
at
dinner.
his head's bigger. Whoa. Okay, yeah, Kelsey, put it. Oh, shoot.
I don't know if you want to put it in there. Not in there. It's too small. Okay, we have a huge net, but that's.
I do not want to. You're okay. Today is July the 1st, 2018. Right now, I'm just fishing right here at the top of the dock, and I really want to catch some fish. I've caught catfish, sunfish, hybrids, but I really want to catch a big fish like a bowfin that I saw. I really want to catch one of those, and that would just make my day, make my week. And I'm staying here for a week, well 10 days, but 2 days have passed. 8 days more, and I'm definitely hope I catch a bass and everything, because I'm really happy that I'm staying for this long. Now let me just make him calm down. Stop. So, this fin right here, there's 3 fins. This top fin, this fin on the side, those 2 fins, and this fin right there, they're very spiky and they cut you. They're like barbs, and they cut you with those fins. So you don't want to like hold them like that. So I just wiggle them off, but if you can't, you just there. I just caught this rock bass. I just dropped in a big piece of worm, and then after it just came out and ate it, but the worm wasn't on my hook, so I grabbed another worm, put it on my hook. I saw him come out. He missed it, then he came out. I came out again, and then after I waited for a little, then I pulled it up and I got it. And I'm very happy that I caught this. Looking like rock bass, you can tell the difference because they have like the red eyes. They have different colors than a normal bass, as you can see. Right now, I'm just gonna go release him. And so I'm just gonna release this guy nice and gently. Bye-bye. I just got another rock bass, and I was just putting my worm in, and he came and ate it, so I got another worm. Because I didn't have a worm on my hook, I just dropped in a random worm. And then I put it on, and he came and got it. And so he just came and got it, then I pulled him up, and he's a very nice rock bass. As you can see, the nice design, big mouth. Baby!
Was it the bowfin?
I got the huge one.
Oh, too bad.
Oh, nice bass. Caught him on your lure.
My lure?
Yeah.
Together on this one, okay?
Yeah,
We've
we
been
are.
wasting our life for this one.
Yeah.
See, why can't there just be one for each?
I'm trying to catch this bowfin, and it's really just, I almost caught him. This guy, he caught him, and he didn't catch him. He brought him like there, and then he snapped off, and he did that twice. And I'm really happy that they're here, but I'm also mad that they're not going for my worm, but I'm also excited because I know I'm going to catch one today. I just caught a rock bass. I was just hanging it near the dock, and he came, and then after he just grabbed it, and I pulled up, and I caught it, and it's a really big one. I'm happy I caught it. Look how big it is. It's like bigger than my hand.
Right. That's a big one.
Can
I
you
know, right?
hold it up so I can see it? I can't see just the
Wait,
mouth.
let me just unhook it. Where's Peter? Where's Peter? Get Peter. Crappie.
Oh, nice. Is that a crappie?
Yeah, it's a crop. What?
I thought they didn't have a fin on top.
There's fish.
Wait a minute. Okay. Is he a large mouth or a small mouth? What is
Large
he?
mouth. Look at his mouth.
Let me get that. Here. Hey. Oh!
That's no eel. That's a carp. That's a bowfin.
No, it's a bowfin. They've tried to catch it 3 times.
That was
And
that
it's-
was big.
Nice one. Look, and then the big gills, too. That's what makes it perfect.
So this week I've caught lots of rock bass, small, medium, large. The large one with bass I've caught frogs with my hands. I got hooked up to a bowfin. Caught lots of sunfish, crappie. We're having a fun time here. We're great friends, and they help me with stuff like Connor, a kid I met. He caught the bowfin, but we were helping each other to try and catch it. And he was gonna leave, but he caught it before he left. And I really hope I catch it soon. So that's sort of what all the fish I've really caught and things I've did on the